Hi, this video will show you how to make an apron from an old shirt. In the last video, I showed how you can make a bottle cover using a shirt sleeve. Today, let's see how this apron is made from the rest of the shirt. You will need a shirt, a pair of scissors, a fabric marker, a ruler, thread and needle, and some pins. First, you need to cut and remove the sleeves. Then, to remove the back panel of the shirt, cut along the seam at the yoke and cut along the side seams as well. Then draw a line connecting the high point of shoulder to a point 2 inches below the underarm level and cut along that. Repeat it on the other side while removing the excess fabric from the back of the collar as well. Then you can double turn the raw edges as shown here and pin them in place. Thread a needle with any colored sewing thread and hand stitch along the hem as shown here. I have used a contrast colored thread here to add some handmade value to this apron. Repeat this on the other side as well. Since the seams of this shirt were already clean finished, there were no other raw edges left. Take a sleeve of the shirt and cut it as shown here to use as a pocket for the apron. Then place the cut open sleeve at the bottom center of the apron and pin it in place while turning the raw edges inward. Then you can attach this pocket to the apron using hand stitches as shown here. The next step is to make a small hole in the apron as shown here and insert a cord through it and secure it with a double knot. Repeat this on the other side. Then using some fabric glue or by stitching, you can seal the openings in between buttons of the shirt. And your apron is now ready to be used. Thanks for watching.